ABC News Brief. Now from New York, John Donvan.
Good evening. President Clinton and Republican lawmakers opened a three-day bargaining session tonight in hopes of banging out a budget agreement. This is 280,000 furloughed federal workers get ready to go back to work on Monday. And Dallas has already seen what's coming, a big snowstorm that tonight is dumping at least 6 inches of snow on the Carolinas and is moving up the East Coast. More news after the movie on most of these ABC stations.